Duane, the Success King, and welcome to the channel. Now, before we get started today, I'm going to ask you to do 3 simple things for me. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment asking any question you have about getting funding for your business. I answer as many questions as I can, and your comment may help someone else who needed that same answer, and it'll also help us with the algorithm. Make sure you also check the description after this video. I have a few links there that will help you start your journey, get your credit in shape, and begin the funding process the right way, not the social media quick fix way. All right, let's talk about how to get $150,000 or more in business funding in the next 90 days, even if your credit doesn't look really good right now. Now let's talk about some things. Funding is not optional. It's necessary. Let me start with something I've learned over 37 years of helping people build their credit, fix their finances, and get the money they need to grow. If you want to scale your business, if you want to hire help, if you want to buy supplies, market your services, or expand your reach, you will need funding. Not maybe, not one day, not when the time feels perfect. You will need it, and soon, because something big is about to happen in the business world, especially for home-based service businesses. AI is changing the job market. Millions of people will lose positions that used to be safe. They will turn to home-based businesses, cleaning, coaching, credit services, digital services, tutoring, consulting, handyman work, beauty services. So many things are going to happen. But here's the key. More people entering the same space means more competition. And the people who are already in the place, the people who are prepared, the people who are funded, those are the people who will take the lead. Funding gives you something most businesses don't have, and that's speed. Speed to hire, speed to market, speed to advertise, speed to grow, speed to get ahead. If you have funding, you can leap forward while others are still trying to figure out how to pay for a website. And this is why this message is so important today. We are entering a season where being funded is the difference between winning and watching others win. You can choose which one you want. Now, your credit can change fast. A lot of people hear $150,000 in funding and think, well, not me. My credit is too bad, or my score is too low, or I messed up too much in the past to qualify. But let me tell you something from the heart. Your past does not stop your future, not in life, not in business, and certainly not in credit. Your credit score is not your identity. It is data. Data that can be fixed, updated, corrected, and certainly improved. Most people think fixing credit takes 2 to 3 years, but my friends, it doesn't. If you know what you're doing, if you follow the right steps, if you stay consistent, your credit can change drastically in 45 days. I've helped people do this for almost 4 decades. I've seen people go from 510 to 620, from 560 to 680, from 590 to 710, from 620 to 740, and many of them did it within 1 or 2 months. Not because I've got magic, not because of tricks, and definitely not because of credit sweeps, fraud, or deleting everything illegally. They did it because we followed real rules, real laws, real timelines, and a real process that works every time when you follow it correctly. Your credit can rise, your score can move, your file can change, and when it does, you become fundable. Let me give you a story. This business owner who thought it was over. This person I helped not too long ago. Her name isn't the issue, but what she believed was the issue. She called me one day and said, Duane, I messed up everything. My credit is ruined. My business might not make it. I think I waited too long. She felt embarrassed. She felt ashamed. She felt stuck. I told her something I want to tell you right now. You didn't ruin your future. You just didn't know the system yet. We got to work. First, we cleaned her personal data, old addresses, wrong spellings, extra employers she never worked for, all the little things that were weighing her file down. Then we cleaned her public record data. Then we challenged things on her report in the legal way with the correct method and the correct timing. Then we lowered her credit utilization. 48 days later, her score jumped. Another 2 weeks later, it jumped again. A month after that, she received her first round of business approvals. Within 90 days, she had over $125,000 in business funding. She cried when she told me because she didn't think it was possible for her. And I want you to know it's possible for you. But this is something you've got to understand. The steps that can change everything happen for a lot of people in 45 days. Let me break down the simple steps I help people take. The same ones that can help you see real change in about 45 days. Step 1, clean your personal data. Your personal information is the foundation of your credit file. Old addresses, wrong spellings, old employers, all that makes up your file, and it makes it unstable. A clean file is a powerful file. Step 2, lower your credit utilization. This is one of the fastest score boosters on earth. If your newest card is under 10% on the statement date, your score will move fast. Step 3, challenge errors. The legal way, not with credit sweeps, not with delete everything, not with false police reports. Those things destroy people's lives later. You challenge things with the right laws, the right letters, the right timing, the right method, while we are using AI and everything at our disposal to help it get done. Step 4, build your business compliance. Your business must look fundable on paper. That means EIN, business address, proper bank account, real structure, clean records, matching information, and a trail that makes lenders trust you. Step 5, get ready for funding rounds. Once your score rises and your file becomes stronger, now lenders start saying yes, yes, yes. And once you get the first yes, more begin to follow. These steps work because they follow the system, and the system rewards the people who know and follow the rules. Now, why 90 days is your window? Let's talk about why 90 days is such a powerful timeline. In 90 days, you can fix your data, raise your score, organize your documents, clean your profile, build your business structure, and become fully fundable. At the 90-day mark, most people have a clean enough file and strong enough business profile to enter real funding rounds. Not fake funding, not fast money with high interest traps, not payday loans disguised as business loans, real business lines, real business credit cards, real approvals from real banks. Numbers like 10,000, 25,000, 40,000, 50,000, 75,000, 125,000, 150,000, 200,000. And when you stack these approvals, you can easily reach 250,000 or more. I've seen it many times, and it's possible for you. Now, the man who thought he was too old to start. Let me share another quick story. I once worked with a man in his late 50s who told me, Duane, I think I'm too old to start over. I missed my chance. I looked at him and said something. I want you to hear this as well. If you're still breathing, you're still becoming. He didn't believe in himself at first, but he believed in the process. And sometimes that's all you need. We cleaned his credit. We built his business profile. We prepared him for funding. And in less than 90 days, he got over $150,000 in business approvals. He called me and said, I wish I didn't wait so long, but I'm glad I didn't give up. Let me tell you something. You are not too old, you are not too late, and you have not messed up too much. You just need the right steps and the right guide. So why working with me really matters? I want to talk about something important. And I'm not going to say this with love and honesty. I'm going to say it with a lot of love and honesty. Most people fail at getting funding because they try to do it on their own. They watch random YouTube videos. They follow social media hacks. They think they can skip steps. Then they try shortcuts. They chase tricks instead of truth. And then they wonder why nothing works. This is why working with someone who knows the path matters. I've been helping people fix their credit and get funded for 37 years. That's longer than some of my gurus online have been alive. I've seen every change, every law shift, every credit score update, every trend in lending, every trick that works, every trick that doesn't, and every mistake that destroys people later. I know what to avoid. I know what to fix. I know how to time things. I know what lenders look for. I know what they trust and what scares them away. And most of all, I know how to get you ready. Because my mission is not just funding. My mission is your success. I want you to rise. I want you to scale. I want you to have a life filled with options. And funding is the doorway to that. You don't have to do this alone. Let someone help you. Now, the future of home-based businesses. Let me tell you what's coming next. Home-based businesses are about to grow like never before. People want freedom. People want control. People want income without working 2 or 3 jobs. But there will be 2 types of business owners. One, the ones who prepare now. They get funded. They build systems. They improve their credit. They create structure. They get ahead. 2, the ones who wait until the wave hits. Then it's too late. Costs have gone up. Competition grows. The window closes. I want you to be in that first group, the group that gets ahead, the group that's absolutely ready, the group that wins when the doors open. Funding is the key. Now, I want you to hear this. You may feel scared. You may feel unsure. You may feel like your past mistakes disqualify you. They don't. You may feel embarrassed when you look at your credit. You may feel frustrated that you waited. You may feel like you're starting behind everybody else. You're not behind. You're just starting now. And starting now is enough. You can rise. You can change. You can grow. You can fix your credit. You can get funded. You can scale your business. And you can build the life you want. Step by step, day by day, with the right help and the right plan. If this video spoke to you today, if you learned something, if you felt a little bit of hope rise inside, do these 3 things right now. Subscribe to this great channel. Like this video. Comment any question you have about getting funding. I read them, I respond, and your question might help someone who needs the same answer. Then go to the description of this video. I have resources there that will help you take the next step. You can fix your credit. You can get funded. You can scale your business. I'm here to walk you through that journey. This is your time. This is your season. Let's get you ready. Let's get you positioned and let's get you funded. Well, I'm Duane, the Success King, and I'm so excited you joined me today. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Be blessed.